Hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Baby's Crafty Corner. And it's not on the bag. But I went to Tuesday morning. So let's take a look at what they got in the shop, and then I'll show you what I brought home. All right? You're back. Start by saying I can't control the music, but let me show you what we got. So we have a Big Shot Express. This is the one with the motor. And I don't see the price. Ha! $149.99. Okay? So this is the Express. It comes with the motor. And then we've got some cutting things, some Karen Buddies and Denise Buddies. These are like clear storage bags. Really a great way to put your stuff away. And then we have a whole bunch of these Sizzix picks in different colors. And then this nice big glue gun from Westcott. We've got the foil quill, magnetic glass plates. We're going to take a look at that later. And then all kinds of new scissors. Cutter bees are in. And some crocodile power punches. Okay, so that's just, that's the end cap. Let's take a look here. Look at all the goodies.
No, you're fine.
We're getting lots of new stuff in. It's coming in, a little at a time, but it is coming back. Look at, we got beautiful embellishments. All kinds of stickers and stuff. Lots of cutting dies and stencils. Here's one. Here's a Thinlit. This is from Catherine Breen. 4 dies in here. This makes gift card envelopes. Real cute. Lots of washi tape. Getting in flowers. Paper flowers. Bling. We got inks. Some art liner pens up there. All right, we have a DIY resin kit. So everything you need to learn to do resin. Paper pads. Look at this. This is the discount section. So they're getting it in. They're letting it sit for just a little bit, and then they're putting it back out. This is February of 2022. And it already went to discount. So, not bad. So let's take a look at the things that I pulled. Oh, wait. Let's do this end cap. Look it. It's paint. And pencils. Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff. All right, let's take a look. So I did pull one of the Sizzix toolkits. These are $7.99, and it's the die brush and the die pick accessory. So it does all the stuff. Number on this one is 2646709. All right, so this is that magnetic glass mat that we looked at earlier. It is $9.99. It comes with 2 magnets. Number on this one is 2700064. And, it's good for cutting and mixed media and stuff like that. You put your stuff down and then you can it's magnetized. So, you can hold it in place. There's those cutter bee scissors with the cover. And they are $6.99, 2700040. What else? Oh, we have the sticky thumb tape. The red line tape is in. $2.99 on this one. This one is the 1/2 inch. Number on this one is 2699978. And then, we got some Bo Bunny pads for $2.99. I love this collection, so I'm just grabbing that. And we have some mini file folders. And I got these because I made some of these with some dies, and I wanted to show you guys how I did it, so I'm grabbing those. And then we've got this little Jolie's Travel Borders for $2.99. Number on this one's 2694313. Really cute. So that's it, guys. We got okay. So this is the We Are Memory Keepers magnetic board. And it comes with 2 magnets with these little handles on them. Kind of convenient to be able to get them up off the thing. I just bent them. You know, give them a little bend so that they come up a little bit. And they don't come off the board. That's pretty cool. And the board is 8 by 5.5. The grid. The board itself is like 9 by 6. So here's one of the things that I want this for. When I'm making a card, I want to make sure that I've got, you know, everything straight and even. So the first thing is, if I'm not using a block with a grid system on it, I can put my pieces down on the grid, following one of the lines to make sure that they're even. Pick them up, and then bring in my cardstock, and again, use the grid lines to kind of hold it all down. Ink up my stamp. And go ahead and stamp it on there. And if I need to come back and do it again because I'm in the same place, it makes it easier to restamp, reposition it. And then, let's say I want to add, you know, some washi tape, and I want it to be at a certain distance, and I want to make sure that it's perfectly straight. I can come back in, put my magnets back down, straighten this out, get it just where I want it, and then come in with my washi tape. And be able to get a nice straight line with my washi tape, because I can use the grid and the magnets to give me that nice straight line. That way, when I put this together and I put it in my card, it's nice and straight. Okay? So anyway, that's why I wanted it. I wanted it to play with it. But I did want to share with you guys, you know, some of the things you can do with it, some of the ways that it can help you. Okay? Also, any other magnets will work on this. It doesn't have to be these particular magnets. So if you need, you know, you've got a bigger piece and you want to put a few extra magnets on it, they're going to work just fine. Okay? So that's it. Ugh. It's got these little teeth on the bottom, and I like it because they are not thicker than the magnet casings, so you could put the magnets on the back and store that. All right, so let's see what I brought home. I brought home these mini folders from Heidi Swapp. I was actually working on something very similar to this, and so I thought, you know, this would be cool to kind of like have them as the idea, and you know, we'll make some of our own. And I got a pair of the Cutter Bee scissors. I have like 16 pairs of detail scissors, but these are yellow, so you know. I did get the sticky thumb. This is the 1/2 inch because I didn't have any. This is all the 1/2 inch I have left. So I got that. I did pick up the Bo Bunny Harmony collection. I just love this collection. I love the little print of it. So I grabbed one of those. And I did get the magnetic glass mat because I have actually wanted one of these for a while. And so I grabbed one. So let's go ahead and take a look. So the Bo Bunny $2.99 number is 2684982. The Cutter Bee EK Tools scissors for $6.99 is 2700040. 1/2 inch sticky thumbs, $2.99, 2699976. We already did that one. And the Heidi Swapp, $2.99, 2699991. And all of these items are December items. So that was it. That's all we did today. That's not true. We went and did some other shopping. And I have 2 pairs of Cutter Bees, so I'm thinking one of these is going to be part of the giveaway at the end of the year. That's it. That's all I have for you today. Until I see you again. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Your friends are my friends. My friends are your friends. Our friends are friends. Before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I do go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And I post videos twice a week, typically on Mondays and Wednesdays. But, you know, could be 3 times a week, and it could be different days. Who knows? Let's see. If you want to know the who, what, when, why, and where of my online life, just go ahead and check out the community tab here on my YouTube channel, or join my Facebook group. There's a link in the description box below, and both of those have a listing that tells you all of the videos that I have coming up, and all the projects, classes, tutorials, all that stuff. So, till the next time, stay well. Bye-bye.